especially to our dearest panelists, Dr. Annalyn M. Gamit, Dr. Joy M. Sabeliano, Dr. Marilu P. Pascual, Dr. Jennifer G. Pronda, and Dr. Nestor Natividad, and to our beloved research instructor, Dr. Angelo R. Santos. We are Group 11 from San Isidro Campus, and we are pleased to present our research entitled Social Factors Influencing Impulsive and Planned Purchases among Students at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, San Isidro Campus. Before we proceed, allow me to formally introduce myself. I am Sandra Maria Villarreal, and I am joined today by my fellow researchers, Ms. Faith De Belen, Ms. Michelle Estanislao, Ms. Diana Marisa Villa, and Ms. Alexandra Joy Soledad. To begin with, social factors play a crucial role in shaping buying behavior, particularly when it comes to impulsive and planned purchases. In today's consumer-driven society, purchasing behavior is a significant element in understanding market trends and individual decision-making. This research aims to explore the impact of various social factors such as social media exposure, peer influence, and cultural norms on the buying patterns of students at NUST San Isidro Campus. By distinguishing between impulsive and planned purchases, we seek to uncover the underlying social motivation that drive these decisions. Ultimately, this study aims to provide valuable insights that can help businesses better align their strategies with consumer needs while empowering students to make more informed purchasing choices. For the statement of the problem, the research seeks to provide a detailed understanding of how social influences such as peer influence, social media exposure, and cultural norms shape students' decision-making processes in different purchasing contexts. Specifically, it seeks to answer the following questions. The first one, describe the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age, sex, year level, course or program, and average monthly allowance. The second one, describe the role of social media exposure in shaping impulsive and buying behavior in terms of content engagement, peer interaction and social sharing, online reviews and feedback, targeted advertisement, and influencer endorsement. The third one, describe the influence of peer pressure on the impulsive and planned buying behavior of students in terms of preference group influence and fear of missing out or FOMO. The fourth one, describe the impact of cultural norms on the buying decisions of students in both impulsive and planned contexts in terms of belief and cultural values. And lastly, propose a strategic marketing plan based on the research findings.
By methods employ a quantitative descriptive approach, a study collected measurable and specific data, providing accurate and detailed analysis of consumer tendency and behavior. This method ensures that the study captures not only the observable trends but also the factors driving consumer decision-making processes.
Moving on to the findings, the study conducted a survey of 150 college students at NUST San Isidro campus, revealing that the majority of the respondents were between 18 to 20 years old with 92.7%, with a smaller percentage aged 21 to 23 with 7.3%. Most of the participants were female with a percentage of 64 and were enrolled in Bachelor of Science in Education with 50%. Also, second-year students made up the largest group with 65.3%, with many receiving monthly allowance of less than 1,000 with 33.3%. Moreover, the data indicated that the students were influenced by product content on social media and peer interactions, highlighting the importance of social connections in shaping consumer behavior. On the other hand, online reviews and feedback were considered valuable sources of information that significantly impacted consumer decisions, whether planned or impulsive. Also, consumers paid attention to targeted advertisements that aligned with their preferences. Influencer endorsements and reference group were found to have a substantial influence on consumer behavior. While respondents disagreed with the fear of missing out, influencing their purchasing behavior, and lastly, cultural norms played a significant role in guiding consumer choices, reflecting their values and beliefs, and this connection between cultural values and consumer behavior was actively utilized by respondents in making purchasing decisions. In conclusion, the study highlighted various factors influencing consumer behavior, from the impact of social media content and peer interaction to the importance of online reviews, targeted advertising, influencer endorsements, and cultural values. The research demonstrated a complex interplay of influences on students' purchasing decisions.
For conclusion, student purchasing decisions, whether impulsive or planned, are heavily influenced by social factors. Impulsive buys like snacks or trendy clothes are often and planned, driven by immediately social pressures, emotions, or marketing. Planned purchases consumer buying behavior, it's essential for consumers to research and compare products before purchasing. Businesses can facilitate this by providing detailed information and tools like wish list. Impulsive buying, driven by emotions and convenience, can be encouraged through engaging store layouts and limited time offers. By balancing these strategies, companies can appeal to different consumer motivations, fostering a more informed and responsible environment.
We are now welcoming your questions, comments, and suggestions to further improve our work.
Question from Dr. Annalyn M. Gamit. How do peer interaction and social media exposure distinctly affect impulsive purchases compared to planned purchases among the students responded?
Thank you for that question, Dr. Gamit. Interacting with peers and seeing product recommendations on social media strongly influence both impulsive and planned buying decisions among students. And when students frequently share product recommendations with their peers on social media, it created a sense of trust and influence, and seeing their friends endorse products online lead them to impulsively purchase, as they were more likely to buy something when it is recommended by someone we know. In contrast, planned purchases among students resulted from careful considerations, budgeting, goal setting, so the respondents were more particular in making impulsive than doing planned purchases when it is talking about the influence of peers and social media. On the other hand, this social validation somehow impacted planned purchases, as students trusted product choices shared by their peers, swayed their decision-making process. Therefore, peer interactions and social media exposure distinctly affect impulsive purchases by tapping into the influence of friends and creating a sense of trust and credibility in the product being endorsed online. Thank you.
Question from Dr. Joy Anisagariano. What practical steps and educational institution take to promote responsible consumer behavior among students based on your findings?
To answer the question, Dr. Joy Sagariano, educational institution can hold seminar or workshop on topics like sustainability, managing money, and budgeting to help students make better choices, encouraging students to think about the long-term effect of their purchases, and creating peer support group focused on ethical shopping will also guide them towards responsible decision. They can partner with local businesses and cultural organizations to promote ethical shopping, organize events about sustainability, and even offer discounts for responsible buying. Additionally, school can provide resources to students make more eco-friendly and cost-effective choices in their daily lives. Lastly, promoting better analysis on product advertised online can greatly impact their consumer behavior, as it is the most influential when it comes to purchasing. As discovered in our study, these are the practical steps that educational institutions can do to promote responsible consumer behavior among students.
Question from Dr. Mario P. Pascual. Your study indicates that cultural values play a significant role in purchase behavior. Could you elaborate on how this cultural influences differ between impulsive and planned purchases?
To answer the question from Dr. Mario P. Pascual, this study focusing on consumer satisfaction with impulse and planned purchases across various cultures reveals that cultural values significantly influence purchase behavior, particularly in the context of impulsive versus planned purchases. Cultural influences differ between impulsive and planned purchases. The study identifies an individualism and collectivism as key cultural dimensions that impact impulsive buying behavior. Consumers in these cultures are more likely to make impulsive purchases based on their own desires and preferences, less influenced by social norms or the opinions of others. Cultural influences on planned purchases are often driven by the desires for personal fulfillment and self-expression. Consumers may ensure their money in making a purchase that aligns with their personal goals.
Question from Dr. Jennifer B. Panda. The findings suggest that fear of missing out or FOMO has minimal influence on the respondent purchasing behavior. What factors do you think mitigate the impact of FOMO among entities
trusted recommendations, lessen reliance on FOMO, while financial constraints encourage careful spending. Additionally, the reliance on online reviews promotes informed decision-making, further diminishing FOMO's impact.
Question from Dr. Nestor Naguitan. Based on your recommendations, how can businesses effectively balance strategies targeting both impulsive and planned purchasing behavior to optimize sales among students?
To answer the question of Dr. Nestor Natividad, based on our recommendations to effectively balance strategies targeting impulsive and planned purchases among students, businesses can adopt a dual approach. For planned purchases, they should provide detailed product information, reviews, and budget-friendly options such as loyalty programs and discounts for advanced purchases. Tools like wish lists and alerts for price drops can also support informed decision. On the other hand, to target impulsive buying, businesses can use eye-catching displays, limited time offers, and strategically place low-cost items near checkout areas, creating a vibrant shopping environment both online and in-store, and tapping into peer influence through campus partnership or testimonials can boost engagement. Balancing these strategies help businesses optimize sales while fostering trust and a positive shopping experience among students.
We believe that our study can contribute to a deeper understanding of consumer buying behavior